welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to have a tutorial on how I edit this video beside me. So if you want to learn, just keep on watching. So before we start, make sure you have your clothes in saved style, like you already dressed up your avatar in the 5 outfits. So that would be found under avatar and then my. So you will see here you have only 5 slots, but if you have more, you can save more outfits or looks. So for today, I'm just going to use 5 outfits because I don't have any slots. And the first outfit would be this white. And the next step is, if you want to change your makeup, just go to the face and make sure you change the makeup the way you want it. And for me, I'll go to mine first, and so I can search easily the eyeliner or the eyeshadow or any makeup that I want to use in my avatar. So for this, I will use my favorite one, this one, and also the other one, this. But the recent favorite that I have is this one because it's too light on the eye of my avatar and I really liked it. And of course, I forgot to add an earring earlier, so I will add it. So I'll just use this. And of course, once you're done, don't forget to save. And let's go now to create and go to the next is photo booth. And once you did that, you can use any dance, but this time we're gonna use this dance. So just click on your avatar and then make sure if you want to use a different background, you can use a green screen. So that would be under background and green screen. But for today, I'm just going to use my room, so it will be less edit and you will see how I edit my videos in a simple way. So once you're satisfied with your room, just go click on save and wait for it. And then the next step is go back again to your saved look or under avatar, go again to my, and then the next step is the red outfit. So yeah, just same repeat it. And if you want to change your makeup to darker, it's fine, anything would do. Okay, so once you're satisfied with your makeup or looks with your avatar, make sure you don't forget to save it because it's a lot of hassle if you forgot to save it. So now that I'm done, let's go back to create in photo booth again and do the same process that we did earlier. And that's it. Just do the rest with the 3 outfits later on. So I'm just going to fast forward it, and if you want, you can watch it. Okay, so now we're on our 5th outfit, so this will be the last. And the next thing that we will do is go to Capcut, click on new project, and make sure you combine all 5 videos or 5 outfits that we took earlier from the photo booth, and this is how it should look like. So from here, make sure you split it or crop it in 1 second only, so that every move of the hand, the clothes will change. So just look at it on how I do it, just like this. So I'm just going to zoom the part where I crop every clip so you will see it, and later on I'm going to show you how it looked like once it's all done. Okay, with all this splitting or cropping every clips, if you want to make it more realistic, we can now go to audio and add some music so we can see if it's in sync, the moving and the dancing or the clips that we do. So for now I don't have the song, so I'll go to TikTok and search for Drop It on My Car, because that is the song fits on that specific dance. And now we're going to see all of the videos that have that step or dance. So if it doesn't have the same video, just scroll down and you will see this one. And now that we've saved it, go back again to Capcut and go to extracted, and make sure you extract that video that we save from TikTok. So let's see. Okay, so now that I'm done with my adjustments, I always make sure to check it first every clip before saving the video, because I don't want any mess, or I want it to be as smooth as possible. So yeah, this is perfect, I think. So I will be going to save this video, and that's it for today's video. I really hope you learned from me, and I really do hope that ZEPETO will make an easier way to edit our videos and make it more cool and amazing. Like, we don't need to go to any other applications like going to Capcut and going to TikTok just to save another music. So yeah, I really do hope with that idea. So let's just stay updated and be happy while we're staying at home and playing with our friends online. So yeah, that's it, and I'll just give a little shout out.